So I thought I would capture a little video of the. This is a setup that I had been wanting to do for 4 to 5 years, which is kind of ironic in the sense that I only started this midday yesterday. So I'm like, I guess in retrospect, I'm like a full day for build, but I mean it's lumber and parts and several electronics that I've had over the years, and it's just kind of literally cobbled together in a sense. But it's actually kind of cool. So um, basically, what's going to happen? I think I'm going to have. I did some cable management tonight, so it's like you can pull several components off when you lift it into the house, because I have a fairly decent sized arcade setup, and then this is kind of an addition. So I'll do some side panels and make radiuses and such, and then what's going to end up happening, hopefully, is it'll be a lift on top, because I want it fully enclosed, but it's a little taller than what I anticipated. So I'm going to have to add several more electronics in the sense that ventilation and things of that nature. Um, I'll probably put a rear, like a plexiglass in the rear, so it can be seen what's going on. I'll have internal LED lights and things like that. But as you can see, it's basically let's grab a game here. It's a PS3 based uh, driving cabinet. So probably got 12, probably a dozen games. So it's just stuff that you've collected over the years, and that I just decided, I'm like, I been trying to keep my mind off some other stuff that, is kind of not happy about, but at the same time, I'm trying to find some happiness in the shop, because that's kind of what I've always done. So, um, yeah. Self calibration. It's a force feedback. Logitech. I think it was I forget the number on it. It was like the best of the best, like 5 years ago.